Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 3 online tutorial. Our subject for today is our world and our people. Our world and our people. And it is taken from strand 1, all about us. Substrand 1, nature of God. Indicator 1, God call of Prophet Abraham. God call of Prophet Abraham. As Christians and Muslims, we've all heard about the father of all nations as described by the Bible and the Quran, that is Abraham. God made a lot of promises to Abraham. He told Abraham that he will make him the father of all nations. We know that Abraham gave birth to Isaac and Ishmael. And Abraham's wife was called Sarah. We are going to read a short story about Abraham. Let's go to the board. Christians and Muslims honor and respect the prophet Abraham, known in the Arabic language as Ibrahim. So if you hear Ibrahim, they are referring to Abraham. The Quran describes him as a man of truth, a prophet. So the Quran describes Abraham or Ibrahim as a man of truth and a prophet. Many aspects of Islamic worship, including pilgrimage and prayer, recognize and honor the importance of the life and teaching of this great prophet. Let's take it again. Many aspects of Islamic worship, including pilgrimage and prayer, recognize and honor the importance of the life and teaching of this great prophet. So if you go to the Quran, most of their writings give honor to the prophet Abraham because he led a good life, an exemplary one. Abraham was the father of Ishmael and Isaac. Abraham is recognized as a great prophet among believers in the religions that believe in one God. So among the religions that believe in one God, such as Christianity, Christians believe in one God. Judaism, they also believe in one God. And Islam, they also believe in one God. So all these religions that believe in one God honor and recognizes Abraham. Children, this is a short story about Abraham. There are questions about this short story. Download it and answer them. Present them at the school premises for marking. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll meet again in our next tutorial. Until then, bye-bye.